I'm Dr. Anthony. Let me share with you, in my experience, the most common cause of arthritic joint pain. Arthritic joint pain can be caused by either major or minor trauma. Major trauma can be as a result of a car accident, a fall, or maybe an overexertion where you strain yourself. Minor trauma can be caused by repetitive motion or activity that you do day in and day out, and your body finally reaches a threshold, and you start to feel that that first symptom of that arthritic pain manifest itself. Every joint in your body, well, the way it works, the anatomy of every joint in your body is you have two adjacent bones, and where those two adjacent bones meet, you have ligaments that hold them together. You have cartilage that allows those joint surfaces to rub on each other smoothly. You have a synovium, which maintains some fluid in there, and that's the lubrication of the joint. Then you have the muscles. A good way to think of it is sort of like a pulley. You have the muscles, a crane, you have two pulley arms, and you have that wire that rides on the wheel, and the wire that rides on the wheel, if it's off kilter, then what happens is you're going to start to get some wear and tear of that wire, and that's the tendons and the ligaments. If you start to get wear and tear on that wire, it leads to fraying on the crane, and you're going to have dysfunction of that pulley. And when you have dysfunction of that pulley, eventually it's going to lead to breakdown. Our joints are the same exact way. When you start to have abnormal wear and tear, altered mobility in the joints, it's going to lead to premature breakdown of the cartilage and the tendons and the ligaments that are involved with the motion of that joint. Arthritic joint pain can cause restricted mobility, muscle spasm, tightness. It affects people in many ways. Our patients tell us most commonly that it can affect their work duties. They're unable to perform some tasks that they were able to perform prior to having these arthritic changes manifest themselves. It can affect your activities of daily living, such as bathing yourself, or if it's in your neck, for example, combing your hair or blow drying your hair. If it's in your low back, the arthritic pain, it can affect you bending down to tie your shoe, for example, or getting your pants on in the morning. Sleep can be affected also by arthritic pain. Sometimes just finding a comfortable position in bed to get a good night's rest can be difficult. We hear a lot from our patients, or sometimes even their spouses, that they become a little more irritable, impatient due to the pain that it causes them. Playing with your grandkids can be difficult, or even playing with your kids if you're suffering from arthritic pain. If you have any of these symptoms, we have a great track record with helping them. We specialize in treating arthritic pain. Give us a call. We can help you. We can be reached at 215-743-5330.